Beauty is a gamble. To be seen by a mate means to be seen by a predator. In evolution, aesthetics are not just about looks, they are a test of pure strength. The peacock carries a tail that slows him down, colors that make him impossible to hide, but that is exactly the point. His message is simple and powerful. I am so strong, so fit, so genetically gifted that I can survive even with this massive burden. This is the handicap principle in action. A costly signal is an honest signal. Only the fittest males can afford to drag such an extravagant train and still escape danger. The vibrant eye spots, the iridescent blues and greens, they are not just decoration, they are a billboard advertising genetic wealth. Females choose the most elaborate tails because those males prove they have the best genes, the strongest immune systems, and the sharpest instincts. So yes, beauty is risky, but in the game of evolution, risk is how you win. Vivid colors in a green world. For the rainbow lorikeet, visibility is the price of social status. The brighter the feathers, the higher the risk, but also the greater the reward. In the lush forests of Australia, these birds wear a mosaic of blue, green, and orange. This isn't just beauty, it's a biological signal. Ultraviolet patterns, visible only to other birds, mark their identity. But standing out means becoming a target. Hawks, snakes are always watching. So how do they survive? Speed and safety in numbers. Their agile flight allows swift maneuvers through dense foliage. They flock together, sharing eyes, sharing vigilance, mobbing predators instead of hiding. Their diet fuels this risky lifestyle. Specialized tongues feeding on nectar and pollen provide high energy intake. Enough energy to sustain active, colorful displays. Evolution balances the equation. Conspicuous colors for mating success. Camouflaged greens on wings for escape. It's a trade-off between being seen and staying alive. In nature, beauty is never free. It is earned through survival. A masterpiece of design, floating in a dangerous pond. The male mandarin duck wears a breathtaking array of orange, purple, white, and green. Stunning, but risky. Camouflage is for the weak. Beauty is for the confident. During breeding season, he displays this vibrant plumage to attract a mate. But predators are always watching. So evolution offers a clever solution, seasonal luxury that vanishes when danger arrives. After breeding, he molts into eclipse plumage, dull, hidden, safe. They nest in tree holes high above ground, reducing predation. Ducklings leap to water, instantly ready within hours of birth. Waterproof feathers allow efficient foraging even in cold waters. Monogamous pairs share vigilance, doubling survival chances. In the wild, confidence attracts mates, but wisdom keeps you alive. Beauty is temporary, survival is permanent. A dance that defies logic. In the isolated rainforests of New Guinea, evolution pushes the body beyond its limits. For the birds of paradise, art is not just decoration, it is a survival strategy. Males perform acrobatic rituals on cleared stages called leks. They twist, they vibrate, they transform their shapes into living sculptures. Every movement, every sound is a test of endurance. Why take such a risk? Because in a world with few predators, the only competition is each other. Females choose the most extreme performers, driving a runaway selection.
The more elaborate the dance, the stronger the genes. Their bodies adapt to support this spectacle. Specialized muscles, unique feather structures, and incredible balance. They burn massive energy to create moments of pure beauty. It seems illogical to waste so much effort just to attract a mate, but in nature, standing out is the only way to continue the lineage. When the dance ends, the genes remain. So remember, what looks like madness is actually mastery. Art is the ultimate strategy for staying alive.
No mouth. No way to eat. It lives only for a few days to find a mate. A ghost of beauty doomed by its own design. The Luna moth emerges without a digestive system. All its energy was stored during the larval stage, feeding on leaves, growing strong for this single purpose. Pale green wings with long, elegant tails mimic leaves in moonlight. These tails create false signals, disrupting bat echolocation, giving the moth a split-second chance to escape. It trades longevity for rapid mating, a strategy that sacrifices life for legacy. Females release pheromones detected from miles away. Males follow, guided by scent, not sight. Why does nature create things so bright they invite death? Because survival is nothing without the chance to begin again. Legacy matters more than longevity. In nature, beauty is not a luxury, it is a language. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.